Hey, man!
Watch out!
Woodpecker.
It's a woodpecker from space! Didn't know the reason why. Still dark inside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. It was a funny looking bird and he stood right before my eyes. With a space suit and a laser gun, he was only passing by.